Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a voiceover in the Filmora application using your Android phone. To add voiceover in Filmora, the first thing to do is to open up the Filmora application from your app drawer. After you get to the main homepage of Filmora, go ahead and tap on the New Project button and select a video clip you want to edit. After selecting the video clip, click on Import. Now that you've imported the video clip onto your timeline, go to the bottom of the screen and select Audio. Once you get to the audio section, go ahead and tap on Record at the bottom. Click on Allow in the pop-up and tap on the Record option in red in order to record your voiceover. Start recording your voiceover. Speak into your device's microphone clearly, and then after you are completed, click on the Stop button. You can also edit your voiceover by tapping on the Voice Effect button at the bottom right. Choose one of the voice effects you'd like to apply to your video from the options provided, and after you are done, click on the check mark. And finally, export your recordings by tapping on Export at the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format and tap on the Pro Export or the Free Export button at the bottom in order to save your video directly onto your device or share it through social media platform. So that's how you can easily voice over in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.